Virginia Stockwell. My channel is all about becoming a personal chef. If you have any interest in becoming a personal chef, please subscribe to the channel. I'm answering a question today that someone asked. It's how many hours a week do I work? As a personal chef, I schedule my clients Monday through Friday at 9 a.m. or 1:30 p.m. for meal prep cook sessions. And I might take the occasional dinner party on Saturday evenings. So that really sounds like I'm working 6 days a week, but it's not true. Those are my scheduled spots that are available, but I don't fill up the week on purpose. There have been weeks where I have done 10 cook sessions in a week plus a dinner party on Saturday, but I'm exhausted and having just one day off isn't going to be enough for me. So to keep my sanity, I pretty much schedule Monday through Wednesday at 9 a.m. and 1:30 p.m. and then Thursday or Friday, or sometimes both, I'll take the afternoons and leave them open so I can do paperwork on those days. After doing 2 cook sessions a day in the evening, I have a stack of papers on my desk, and those are recipes that need tweaking in my database. After I've created them, I want to do things differently next time, so I want to update that in my database. I also need to enter any income or expenses that happen that day into my spreadsheet. I don't like to wait until the end of the month to do it all because that just feels like a giant task. So if I just do a little bit every day, then everything gets done and I don't really have to turn it into a big system. I also have to do extra tax paperwork, and so I have to work on that at the end of every week. I also have emails that come in every day or voicemails where I need to reply to somebody requesting a dinner party. I need to come up with a menu for that, and I also every week need to send out new menus to next week's cook sessions. So if I work Monday through Friday, 2 cook sessions a day, when am I going to do this kind of paperwork? So I've learned to make Thursday afternoon or Friday afternoon available for the paperwork. And then as far as dinner parties Saturday, I only occasionally accept those. I might do 1 or 2 a month. So it really comes down to, how busy does my calendar look, whether or not I'm going to take those dinner parties. So as you can see, I'm trying to condense my week into just 40 hours. So I don't want to find myself working 6 days a week, all day long. At the beginning, when I first started as a personal chef, I would say yes to everything, and I definitely filled up my calendar, and I got burnt out quickly. So I learned my lesson, and now to become a sustainable business, you have to figure out what's going to work for you. So this is how I run my business, and you get to run your business your way because it's your business. So I hope that gave you a little insight on how my personal business works. And I want to thank you for watching. If you ever have any questions, just write up below and I'll answer the question in an upcoming video. Thanks again for watching.